I'm Jim Metzler of Ashton, Metzler & Associates. I want to start by talking a bit about IT and business processes. On an ever-increasing basis, organizations run their critical business processes on IT. Now, by IT, I mean a combination of functionality, including applications, networks, servers, and storage. Whether this functionality is provided internally or acquired from a cloud service provider. The result of that increased reliance on IT is that if those IT functions are not doing well, then neither are those business-critical processes, nor really the business itself. For example, based on my research, roughly 2/3 of the time that one or more of a company's business-critical applications are performing badly, the company loses revenue. In addition, in almost half the time that one or more of a company's business-critical applications are performing badly, the company loses customers. I have one more important metric. My research also indicates that the majority of times that the performance of an application is beginning to degrade, that degradation is noticed first by the end user and not by the IT organization. And a related fact is that in many instances, given the complex nature of applications and the supporting IT infrastructure, the time it takes to find the cause of degraded application performance is lengthy and it continues to increase. So you can ask, what's the problem with IT? Is the issue here that IT organizations don't have enough management data to identify a performance problem? The answer is no. The problem is that IT has an ocean of data coming from the continually growing number of business transactions, plus a complex distributed IT infrastructure that's both physical and virtual, and which is increasingly provided by a third-party cloud computing vendor. Now, is this ocean of data problem unique to IT? Again, no. The challenge of having oceans of data is common and has a new name, big data. Now, the phrase big data refers to having data sets that are so large and complex that it's difficult, if not impossible, to process and analyze them using traditional techniques. So again, what can we do to address this problem? Companies are developing a wide variety of techniques to analyze huge data sets, what I referred to previously as oceans of data. The multitude of techniques that are being developed have a variety of names. In a business setting, we tend to refer to it as big data analytics. In an IT setting, we tend to refer to it as application behavior analytics. Now, while these techniques all attack the oceans of data problem, they're really not all the same. I want to give you a few examples of big data analytics in a business environment. I see companies using big data analytics to get insight into customer behavior and insight into their own branding, to do better target marketing and better fraud detection, and on an increasing basis, to use big data analytics for the introduction of new products. Now, what about application behavior analytics? The application automatically learns from live data what's normal behavior by day of week, week of the quarter, year-end close. And it implements sophisticated statistical techniques to find situations which deviate from normal and to identify the cause of that deviation. This results in better proactive and better reactive application performance management. Now, in closing, as we discussed, the performance of the IT function in general and their ability to do effective application performance management in particular has a significant impact on business processes. IT organizations have an ocean of management data that they can use to either eliminate application degradation before it impacts users, or that they can use to rapidly identify the source of that degradation once the user is impacted. But sorting through all that management data requires that IT organizations adopt the same general type of approach to big data analytics that's being adopted by the majority of business managers. Now, I appreciate your attention today, and I hope this video is helpful.